Welcome to part 2 of Giraffes Can't Dance, creative movement story time with Miss Catherine. Now I'm going to ask you, what movements and what emotions do you remember from the story? I'm going to share some of my favorites with you, and I want you to come up with some on your own, but we're going to do them all together and play around. Are you ready? Okay. My very first one that I remember is stand still. And I realize these may be backwards for all of you at home, so my apologies. That's what this says, stand still. Can we all try that one together? Okay. I'm going to stand very still like a statue. And I'm going to pick another pose. Whoa! Let's see if I can stand still and balance. And one more. How'd you do, dancers? All right, very good. The next one that I remember is skip and prance. This one's a lot of fun. So let's all skip around the room. I'm gonna take some curvy pathways and some straight pathways. I think I'm gonna skip backwards. And let's try some prancing. Can we prance around our rooms? Oh. Can you prance sideways? Can you prance backwards? Can you prance in a circle? Oh, you can. All right. And freeze. Very nice, dancers. Next up, I remember waltz, rock and roll, and tango. Okay. Let's just try a waltz around the room. And let's try our rock and roll. Yeah. And how about a tango? Let's see, I'm gonna start in the back. I think I need a partner. Wait just 1 minute. Mr. Armadillo has agreed to join me in a tango. Are you ready? You are. All right, let's go. And tip your partner. Ah, thank you very much for this dance. I will put you back in your home. How did we all do? All right. Next up, I remember Gerald making a sad face as he was walking home. Sad face. Can we make different kinds of faces? How about a happy face? Let me see your happy face. Very nice, dancers. And how about a confused face? I look confused? How about a curious face? If you don't know what curious means, ask your grown-up. I'm gonna be curious. Think of what are some other emotions that you can make. Go ahead and do them for your grown-up now while I pull up the next one. All right. Okay, the next thing that I remember is swaying grass and branches in the breeze. Ooh, that one sounds really nice. Let's see if we can sway like branches in the breeze. What happens if the breeze picks up and it makes us go faster and faster? And we're swaying really fast. Woo! And freeze. Very nice. The next thing I remember is leap in the air. Oh, this one sounds like a lot of fun. I'm going to need a lot of space, so I'm going to go to the back corner of my room. Are we ready? I'm ready to leap. Leap and leap and leap and leap. Ooh, and I'm going to leap. over something. Okay, I'm gonna leap over the pillow and freeze. All right, dancers. Okay, this one's gonna be a fun one. The next thing that I remember is boogie. All right, can we all boogie? And boogie, boogie, boogie. And freeze. Good. All right, dancers. This is the last one. I bet you remember some that I forgot, and I want you to tell your grown-ups about them. But the last one that I remember is twizzle and bow. Twizzle. Does anybody know what twizzle means? I don't know. I'm gonna make it up. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna twizzle and bow. Let's try it the other way. Twizzle and bow. That's a good way to end that dance, dancers. All right, so the next thing that you can do is pick 4 of your favorites. We're gonna make an obstacle course. Are you ready? You can choose socks or pillows or a Cheeto that you found on the floor for each of your stations. I'm going to choose some pillows. Station 1, Station 2, Station 3, and Station 4, the grand finale. So I'm going to pick 4 of my favorite movements from this story and make up an obstacle course. So the first thing that I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to start with a skip and prance. So let's skip to the first station, and then I want to make something a little different. So I'm going to choose a sad walk. I'm going to slump my shoulders and put on my sad face. I'm going to walk to the next station. And then I'm going to pick sway in the breeze, and I'm going to sway from low to high. And then for the last movement of my obstacle course, I'm going to leap in the air. Ta-da! So we have skip and sad walk and sway and leap in the air. All right, dancers, you can pause this and make up your own obstacle course. And if you're ready to move on, we're going to go to our final dance. I'm going to put these pillows away. All right, dancers, it's time for our grand finale, our final dance. And for this one, I want you to pick 3 of your favorites. And then I want you to think of your favorite song. Because remember, Gerald couldn't really dance until he had a song that he really liked. So let's think of a song that really makes us want to dance. So I'm going to choose Stand Still, and then Boogie, and then Twizzle, and Bow. And those are going to be my 3 movements to make my grand finale, Giraffes Can't Dance, dance. Are we ready? All right, dancers, go find your favorite song. I'm going to put mine on. You can turn off the sound if you want to dance to your own song.